then there are areas like the justice system, which are not perhaps headline grabbing, but which have faced a lot of cuts where money is really needed.
Well, it will certainly be interesting to see what happens, and I agree with Paul that in terms of local government finance, that local government has done some amazing things in terms of delivering greater efficiency.
Up around. What the fuck do you think you're doing, dickhead? I can barely see his lights.
Thirds of MPs. And Boris Johnson fell very short indeed. Just under 300 Conservatives mostly voted for it, well short of what was required. So duly that came to an end. There were
Blind? For fuck's sake, know what you're doing. Fucking dickhead.
Weird, isn't it?
It's my rule is, yeah, don't talk about Christmas till Halloween's over.
Is that how it works?
That's in our house.
No, don't talk about Christmas before
It's
November.
the news, it's the news though.
Well,
We're journalists.
I know.
Can't choose the Christmas stories that you cover.
Yes, okay.
Before you get to the sports news and the works.
That's in our
No,
house.
don't talk about Christmas
What?
before
It's
November.
the news, it's the news though.
Well,
We're journalists.
I know.
Can't choose the Christmas stories that you cover.
Yes, okay.
Before you get to the sports news of the weekend, did you manage to injure a child like my wife?
Dickheads.
I'll ask if your stories at home, please. Whether you injured or maimed accidentally your child, but it all turned out okay in the end.
Well, I didn't injure our child. My son and my husband have this ridiculous game.
Temperatures down slightly on the weekend as well, only around 19 Celsius. A gentle northerly breeze in the main. Bit of a muggy feel actually as that front goes through, but it's becoming fresher once it does. So
to withdraw his plan.
An earlier attempt to find a suitable host community foundered in 2013 when Cumbria County Council vetoed the plan.
So I have banked material.
The then leader of the vetoed the plan.
So I have banked material.
The then leader of the county council, now retired, Eddie Martin.
The geology is not appropriate. It's too fractured, too fissured. And in the end we said, no, enough is enough. This is not for Cumbria. It would damage it.
But the thoughts are not greatest of this The case against the 20-year-old man who was accused of murdering PC Andrew Parker has been dropped. The case against the 20-year-old man who was accused of murdering PC Andrew Parker has been dropped. The Old Bailey was told that the charge against Jed Foster had been discounted after further police investigation. Earlier, 3 teenagers aged 17 and 18 appeared in court charged with the officer's murder. Royal sources have told the BBC that there is an amount of displeasure at Buckingham Palace.
Kane on BBC Wiltshire. It's Love Too Much. Keep your guesses coming in then for today's musical diversion. 2 lines of lyric out there already, 2 more to come between 4:30 and